Hi and welcome to Bounty Hunters. Bounty Hunters is an automated influencer marketing platform. So it's a website that brings clients, projects, brands, startups, and micro-influencers together. So if you run a company that requires more users, needs attention through social media, and you simply want to generate hype around your product or service, Bounty Hunters is for you. So this is the view of the platform and the website from the eyes of the first-time user or the influencer. So I'm a guy who wants to make money online through endorsing various projects and companies. So I go on the website, I create my profile, I link up all my social media, and then I have access to different marketing campaigns. So for example, as an influencer here, I can join a marketing campaign for this company called Bamboo. This is their budget for the marketing campaign, and they ask influencers to perform custom tasks, which are YouTube videos and blogs. They want influencers to work on Bitcoin Talk and promote the project on Facebook, on Twitter, so posts, shares, likes. And I perform all my activities as an influencer right on the website. So here I can see what's available. I've done all the Facebook and Twitter tasks, so I'm left with blogs, videos, and also some translational activities. So if I'm a translator, I can help the project with translating the white paper, website, or two-pager. All the details and all the rules are in front of the influencers here on the website. So how is all this created? If you're a client or brand or a startup or an exchange or any enterprise that needs presence on social media, you go on our website from the host domain, host.bountyhunters.io. We help you to set up the campaign. So here as an example, I've chosen Ethereum, which was one of our clients. You can see the company description here. You can pull up the logo. Now we have to mention what's the token name or what's the currency that the company wants to pay the influencers, how much funds they have designated, and then we start creating channels. So we ask influencers to work and promote the project through Facebook, through Twitter, Telegram, YouTube and blogs, Bitcoin Talk. You can also pick LinkedIn. Instagram is coming shortly. This platform allows you as a client to track all activities online, so you can see which influencers performed what kind of work. You can filter by let's say custom tasks, then you can see just the blogs and the articles and the YouTube videos and analyze them and see how well they performed. You can accept them, you can reject them, it's up to you. So everything is visible on the website. You can also check the statistics. So for example, for Ethereum, we see here that about 172,000 Facebook tasks were performed, almost 100,000 Twitter, 4,000 people joined the Telegram channel. This is how many articles and YouTube videos were created for the project. Bitcoin Talk forum was also hyped up. And daily activities and stats are here as well. So if you want to grow the business and attract more people to the website, generate hype around the project, bring in investors, and just get quite popular through social media, Bounty Hunters is a great tool. Everything is easy to use and all the information is kept on the website. All the payments are done automatically. You can pay in cryptocurrencies. So if any questions arise, feel free and contact me. My name is Konstantin. I'm the co-founder of Bounty Hunters. Thank you.